CapCut AI video editor is here for everybody. So now we can take any text prompts and turn them into videos, or we can take images and animate them, turn this into videos. And the coolest part, it's free. So first of all, we go to Dremina and sign up with your account, and they will give you free 225 token every day. You can click the link description below to open Dremina. By the way, Dremina is an AI tool which connected to CapCut that allow you to generate images and videos from any text prompts or a single image. To start generate AI video, we are going to Video Generator. You can either generate from image or text prompt. So let's give a try with image prompt, and upload your image as the first frame. You can enable this by uploading your image as the last frame, but this time I'm not gonna do that. Now in addition, we enter a prompt like giving a comment to get better effect in the animation. For the model, I select this Video S2.0 Pro for realistic result. If you select that model, the default duration is only 5 seconds, and the aspect ratio automatically adjusted to your base image size. Now click on Generate. It will spend 75 token, and now we wait. And take a look at this result. You can see here the movement and everything look natural. I barely see the morphing effect, which this make the animation more realistic. Now you can save this video, but there is watermark if you are using free account like me. You need to upgrade to basic plan if you want to remove the watermark, and you can also access to all the features like upscale the video resolution and frame interpolation to make the video a lot smoother. By the way, if you select the model to Video 1.0, you can adjust the camera control and motion speed. And it's only me 45 token. And just take a look. I think this version is not better than S2.0 Pro because the video is stuttering and the duration is too short. But you can fix that by add 30-second duration and frame interpolation. Now let's try to generate a video with text prompt. Simply just enter a text description to let Dremina what you want to happen in the video. I think more detailed prompt can generate better results. And the model is Video S2.0 Pro for sure. And I set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and click on Generate. And it's done. Just click the link description below to start Dremina today and make some cool stuff with AI video generator. I hope you found this video useful in some way. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.